Today we are going to make these cute little earrings. So I have used 100% cotton yarn to make this, and my crochet hook. This is the 1.5 millimeter crochet hook, and I'm using the plier, the pair of scissors. We need 2 jump rings and 2 hook ear wires. Now we will start to make this. Let's start with the magic circle. And put a slip stitch into the magic circle to secure it. Insert the hook into the magic circle, grab the yarn, pull through, grab the yarn and pull through. So we are going to work 6 single crochet inside this magic circle now. So insert the hook into the magic circle, grab the yarn, pull through, grab the yarn and pull through. This is our first single crochet. I will show you once more. Insert the hook into the magic circle, grab the yarn, pull through, grab the yarn and pull through 2. So we have just completed 2 single crochets into the magic circle. So you have to complete until you get 6 single crochets inside the magic circle and meet me back. Now I have completed 6 single crochet inside this magic circle. Now you have to pull this tail tight to close the magic circle like this, and we'll make a slip stitch to the first stitch over here. So insert the hook into the first single crochet we have done and grab the yarn, pull it through and pull it through the loop. We have completed our first round, so we are going to start the second round. Now we have to put a slip stitch to the next stitch over here. Insert the hook into the stitch, grab the yarn and pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now chain 1, and on this round you are going to work 1 single crochet to the first stitch, 3 single crochets together to the second stitch, 1 single crochet to the next stitch, 3 single crochets together to the next stitch, like that. So we will start to the first one. We have to work 1 single crochet, grab the yarn and pull through 2. So the second one is going to be 3 single crochets together. So insert the hook, grab the yarn and pull through, grab the yarn and pull through 2. This is the first single crochet we have done to the second stitch. Now 2 more stitches we have to do, and another one. So we have completed 3 single crochets to the second stitch. So the third stitch is going to be only 1 single crochet, and the fourth one is going to be 3 single crochets together, and the next stitch is going to be only 1 single crochet and then 3 single crochets together. So you can complete the next 2 stitches and meet me back. Now I have completed next 2 stitches, and then you have to put a slip stitch to the next stitch over here. Grab the yarn, pull through and pull through the loop. And now you can see the triangle shape is appearing. So we are going to start the third round. So make sure you always work over this tail. And now we are going to put a slip stitch to the next stitch over here. and then chain 1. Now this is the corner stitch, so we have to work 3 single crochets together into that. One, two, and 3. And then you have to do 3 single crochets to the next 3 stitches, and to the corner again 3 single crochets together. So the next 3 are going to be 3 single crochets to each one of the 3 stitches. One, two, and 3, and then to the corner 3 single crochets together, and then 3 stitches again to the corner, 3 single crochets together. Now you can work up to here and meet me back again. Now I have completed up to the corner, and you can work a single crochet to the next stitch, and another single crochet to the next stitch, and a slip stitch to the next stitch. Now we have completed the 3rd row. We will start the 4th row by chaining 1, and then you have to work a single crochet to the next stitch, and you can see this is the corner, so you have to work 3 single crochets together. 1, 2, and 3. Then again you have to work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochets to each one of these next 5 stitches, and to the corner 3 single crochets together. Then again 5 stitches, then to the corner 3 single crochets together, and complete up to here, and I will let you know what to do next. Now I have completed up to the corner, so you have to work 3 more single crochets to the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Then put a slip stitch to the next stitch. This is the stitch we have started, so put a slip stitch into that, and then grab the yarn and pull through, and you can cut off the yarn. Now take your yarn needle, and you can insert the yarn needle into few stitches, and you can thread the needle, and you can pull it from the other side. Then cut the yarn off. Now I am going to insert my jump ring and the hook ear wire to the upper corner. So take the jump ring and the hook ear wire, and you can open the jump ring using the plier. Now insert the jump ring into the corner like this, and you can insert the hook ear wire also, and close the jump ring. Now we have completed the earrings. So if you have any question regarding making this, you can leave a message on the comment section below, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Thank you for watching.